nah, 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 no. Yeah. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Yeah. I can't let him take.
Hello my beauty, if it's your first time ever coming across this channel, my name is Zona Davani and you're welcome here. Please become part of the family by hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure that you don't miss out on any of my new videos. To my returning anointed beauties, welcome back. It's lovely to see you again and thank you so much for your continued love and support. On today's video, I come bearing a hair plug, sis. Absolutely love this long bob from Reshine Hair. I give you all the details about it on this video, how I put it on and what I found to be extra lovely about it. Just to hint you, check this out. It is a glueless wig and I'm super excited about it because I truly love any beauty hacks that help me minimize my getting ready process. Without wasting any time, let's jump straight into this hair review. This is the beautiful package that the wig came in. Very minimal, very practical, and they also include all their social media platforms as well as product recommendations to use for the hair, including which kind of comb to use for whatever type of hair. And they included eyelashes as well as wig cap stockings. They're very sheer, they are HD, and of course the girl of the moment, the actual 12-inch HD lace long bob that comes pre-cut. This is the inside of the unit. You have adjustable sections to hook in your elastic strap to control the tightness, and that is how sheer and light the lace is. As you can see, they cut it for you already in a sort of zigzag shape to make it easier to blend the unit. Though the unit is not bleached, they are very small and light. It also does come pre-plucked. Also like how well they cut it. I have included a direct link on the description bar. I first attempted to wear the wig with the HD wig cap that was included on the package, and I went in with a foundation to tint it to a more muted and darker complexion to match with my skin tone. I went on to put it on like usual. When I pulled it to the front, I realized that because the HD lace is so transparent, with the wig cap, I felt like it was too visible for me. I feel if I really truly wanted to wear it with a stocking cap underneath, I should have gone with a darker cap or gone with the bold cap method, but I just wanted to show you how transparent and of great quality the lace is, which is a pro and a con at the same time, in that it's flawless, it gives natural finish, while at the same time you need to do a bit of work with the wig cap when you want to wear it with it. After pulling and tugging, trying to make it work, I decided to cut my losses and go at it without any stocking underneath. And there you have it. Such an easy install, and you can shift it around as you wish. It doesn't affect anything. As you can see, that hairline is perfectly plucked. I didn't do any extra moves on it, didn't need any bleaching. So to further bump up the ends and give it that shapely bob look and feel, I went in with my straightener, only starting to curve towards the end to create that nice long bob bump. The hair took on very well to the heat, quickly shaping up to the shape I wanted without getting fried or anything like that. I then went on with a brush to blend the hairline and the lace together. I didn't add any product to the lace. I think the product that you see on the lace is just a little extra from the hairline, which already had some makeup on. It's giving 90s R&B musician, and I love it. I love that they bring it to you already layered to frame your face. This is absolutely fabulous. It's perfect for someone who doesn't want to do any work on a wig, just wants to buy it and put it right on without the added work of plucking, cutting the lace, or bleaching the knots. This is a beautiful, beautiful wig. And my discount code for this one is FANS. It is valid across the website on whatever products that you end up buying on reshinehair.com. And there you have it, my anointed beauty. This is how stunning my locks are. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll see you on my next one. I love you. God bless you.